We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets continuing to trade lower overnight, with the exception of Japan's Nikkei 225 index on the upside 1.2%, hitting a 5.5-year high on Japanese yen weakness. Meanwhile, the European markets, they continue to sell off, and U.S. stock futures, they were lower after the bell. The Dow Jones, exactly that, down just under 35 points. Now we first begin in Asia. This says Chinese industrial production that increased 9.3% on the year. However, that was just below expectations, calling for a 9.4% rise. Chinese retail sales figures, they climbed to 12.8% this year in April, falling in line with expectations. Retail sales were driven by gold and jewelry sales that surged 72.2% in April, this from 26.3% in March. And according to reports in Europe, German Finance Minister Wolfgang Schäuble is calling for a two-step approach that would leave bank rescues in the hands of a network of national authorities until treaty changes can be placed. Meanwhile, in the United States, retail sales figures released this morning, rising a seasonally adjusted 0.1% last month. Economists did forecast a 0.6% decline. And Kuwait Airlines is now expected to send approximately $2.98 billion on 25 Airbus jets. And this weekend's box office sales saw Iron Man 3 once again stay on top, bringing in $72.5 million in ticket sales. The Great Gatsby, that came in second at $51.1 million.